What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy DJ, and I am back for another vlog. Today is April 26th, and it is one day away from my 25th birthday celebration. Alright, y'all, so this vlog is going to consist of everything I have to do before I travel on my flight. I am going to Houston, Texas for the first time, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to turn up. I cannot wait to see the city. I cannot wait to see the culture down there. It's going to be an amazing trip. Today I am getting a facial at home. So I'm going to do my self-care facial at home. And then I am going to get a mani and a pedi at the nail salon. Then after I get a mani and pedi, I am going to get my eyebrows done because I got to get these brows snatched. And after I get my brows done, I gotta get a haircut, and I got something special up under here. Yeah, you guys gonna see. So make sure you guys stay tuned the whole entire vlog. Make sure you like, comment what was your favorite part in this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, let's get into the video. Just made it to VIP Nail Spa. This is where I get my manicures and pedicures. So let's go in, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
May I have you?
I need a mani and a pedi,
Okay.
please. What's up, YouTube? So I just got my feet done. I got my nails done for the day. Now I'm finna go get my eyebrows done because they need to be slayed. And after I get my eyebrows done, we're probably gonna have the unreveal of my do-rag. I cannot wait to you guys see what's up underneath. And also I have a flight to catch today, so we're gonna pack my clothes before my flight to Houston, Texas. Alright, we're gonna continue this vlog, heading to get my eyebrows done now. What's up, YouTube? So I just made it to my eyebrows appointment. Before I go, Dacia's. So we're gonna run in here and get these brows slayed. I'll bring y'all in here with me. So I'll let y'all see what it is. She might not run me. Vlog in here. What's up? I'm the only one. I'm doing a little vlog for my YouTube. Alright, y'all, I'm here at Dacia's, and I just got my brows done. And she always does an amazing job. Look at my brows, they look so good. Alright, I just wanted y'all to see my eyebrows. Alright, y'all, just got my eyebrows done at Deja's, and I'm looking good, I'm feeling good. You know what, I just thought I was gonna show y'all on here, but I decided that I'm gonna show y'all my haircut when I get to Houston. Like, I can't let y'all see it right now, so y'all see it later. Of course, I had to come to the liquor store, so hopefully they got some Casamigos, which they do, and this is what I'm looking for. Or should I go down here and get my Deli on by Diddy? We'll see. Y'all will see. Alright, YouTube, so I made it back home, and now it's time to finally pack for the airport. I got my luggage right here. I got all my shoes that I'm taking right here. And then, here's all my outfits. So I got everything in either Shein bags or Fashion Nova bags that I have kept. So I made it easy, and then I've got a little duffel bag right here that I'm gonna put some shoes in. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up because I'll be leaving soon to catch my flight. Alright, y'all, continue to watch the vlog. What's up, YouTube? So we just made it to the airport, right?
Thank God.
Y'all, they had the lane shut up for arrivals, and we basically had to reroute. We almost literally missed the flight. So we here now. We got our bags checked in. We're ready to get to Houston and celebrate our 25th birthday.
Too far, too long.
Y'all, we finna turn up. And the hair reveal will be tomorrow. Okay, I'm about to go on and close out this vlog.